Everything Experiential celebrated its second-year anniversary recently, opening a new chapter with the launch of a magazine, PW Applause, a magazine focused at the experiential marketing and events industry in India. It was an evening of fun, food, fashion and music, a fashion show and performances by Turkish band and Desi Swag Group added glitter to the event that was attended by the country's leading event planners, marketers, agencies, event services providers and other stakeholders of the industry. The role of media as a tool for event amplification was the next panel, chaired by AP Paragi, Group Chief Executive Officer, Network 18, Jawahar Sirkar, Chief Executive Officer of Prasar Bharati, and Vikramjit Roy, Executive Editor, BW Hotelier, was the moderator.
Has the media really missed the bus when it comes to getting IPRs in events?
The short answer is yes and no. Yes, because there are certain media houses in India that have possibly been responsible for the concept of event management to emerge in India in the last 20-25 years, however nascent. And no, in the sense that a large number of media houses, possibly by size and scale and reach and revenues, did not early in the day get onto the bandwagon of the amplification of events and consequently building IPRs. But I have had the opportunity of working in a large media house where there were pioneers. The focus was on revenue, and revenue is a force multiplier in idea generation and building barriers of entry for competition. And they have built IPRs, but not in the context of, for example, let's look at something called the Mumbai Marathon. We have friends like Sabash sitting here who have actually amplified far more than media has in terms of the dynamics and the impact of event management. The word event management unfortunately took precedence over the word experiential marketing in India. The experiential marketing people in India were actually, naturally and genuinely, people like Sabash and many others who did events, but they were actually getting a connect between the brand and the consumer. Whether it was the Filmfare Awards, whether the IFA Awards, whether it's the TOIFA Awards, or Femina Miss India, several of them. But yes, to be specific in terms, has media missed the bus? Possibly, in a way, yes.
But coming back to your question about the main events, if you reduce these celebrations to the word event, it's good enough for me, is that yes, we do it. Yes, we do it. It's an integral part of the public media, public broadcasting, to be involved in creating newer and newer events, happenings, ideas, and campaigns. In the last 2 years, we created Swachh Bharat, etc. Now, we don't have much of a choice about what event we are talking about. It just can't be a walk or a half marathon or things like that. It's not that we are not interested, but there's so much energy that goes into coordinating with government per se. I can assure you it's a very difficult task. So getting hold of everyone and getting the act together itself takes so much of our energy. So one is that yes, the public media could be accused of a lot of things and many of them are really true. I can take an affidavit on that. I don't deny. But when it comes to national level campaigns, I would use that word rather than use the word event management, though in a way their character is close to each other, characteristics. There's a way we get involved. But When you talk of event management per se, I always put it as an informed citizen or half-informed citizen, that a campaign or an event, they have to be separated, number one. An event is a one-all thing. It's a one-night stand. You sort of then forget about all of it. I don't know what term I've used, but never mind. So it's one-off. Unless the event is branded, remember the attention of the viewing public is so limited that it's bizarre. You have a spot that everyone remembers, Dishum, whatever. You don't remember what brand sponsored it. The spot remains back as a flavor, the brand does not. The only way to do it is to hook the brand with the event.
With its 360-degree coverage, this latest offering from the BW family will ensure that you experience and enjoy with applause. Team BW TV, New Delhi.